If you need to reset your password for Arab Bank Egypt, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Arab Bank Egypt official website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter your details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in elite databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your details, check your email inbox for a password reset link from Arab Bank Egypt. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.